Now you see is the organogram of INOFO that we would like to have in the future, which we need your approval at the regional general assemblies or the continental general assemblies that we are in now. As you can see on the top, we have the organic farmer organizations or OFOs. These are the organizations where farmers are on the board of the organization and have the decision-making power within their organizations. Such OFOs within a country come together and elect their country representative. Then the different country representatives within a continent come together and sit in a general assembly like we are going to have now, and elect their their three continental representatives. So three per continent. And then these three from 6 continents, Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, and Oceania together will form the 18 convener seats in the Council of Regions. This Council of Regions will then have the election to form the board, which is the Council of Continents. And this will have 6 people, one from each continent. These 6 members in the board will represent the president, secretary, treasurer, vice president, joint president, and the global relationship manager. So this is what we propose to have in the future. So what is happening presently is we have these organic farmer organizations in the countries, but now there is no election at the country level. But in the future, we hope to have it more accurate, going towards a country level elections to have a country representative who then come to the General Assembly in the region, like the Continental General Assembly like we have today or in the coming days. And we are thinking to have 18 in this place, so 3 per continent. Earlier, this number 3 is not defined. Earlier, we have different number of conveners per continent, depending on the number of countries that we have access to or we have active members in. And our statutes say that our Council of Regions may be up to 15. And that is why we have raised this question, which is the first question in the poll, which says, do you agree that there are 3 seats per continent, making it a total of 18 conveners in the Council of Regions representing 6 continents or regions: Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, and Oceania. So this would be the first voting poll that you will have to vote for in the Zoom poll. The also constraint is, as we are growing in the different continents, in different regions, if we keep on adding the number of people in the council, it would be really difficult for us to control and monitor the entire process. Hence, it was thought that we have 3 per continent as the seats, irrespective of the size of the continent or the active countries in that continent. Our earlier council, the council from 2017 to 21, have agreed and approved that it should be changed from 15 to 18. But still, we would need your recommendation and opinion through this poll. So go ahead, and when this question is asked, you can give your answer in terms of yes, no, or abstain. Then the Council of Regions, that is, if we agree to have it on 18, then so the Council of Regions of 18 conveners would then elect the board, which is the Council of Continents with 6 people, 1 seat per continent, and it will then be divided into the different positions or elected positions as the president, vice president, secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, and global relationship manager. So the next question that would be asked to you on a Zoom poll would be, do you agree that there is 1 seat per continent in the Board Council of Continents, making it a total of 6 board members? Again, in this question, we have tried to have a solution where we have an equal representation from different continents and not overpowering any particular region depending on their size or activity. And this entire organogram, as you can see, was developed through several workshops supported by Andreas Hermes Academy since 2018 to now, first in the physical workshops and then through the virtual workshops that we had online. So there has been several inputs and energies gone into it by the different council of conveners that we had in the earlier batch from 2017 up till now. So there is a third question on the organogram asking, do you approve of the overall governance of the INOFO depicted through this organogram? This is the election process that's been described through the arrows, also showing the operational decisions and the strategic decisions. So you need to vote on this question as, do you approve the overall organogram? As yes, no, or abstain. I hope this organogram and the 3 voting questions are clear to you. I will describe them more in my presentation as the presidential report that I will present during the GA. This is a preparatory material for you to go through before you come for voting. Thank you.